together with Francis our Pope and Oscar Hyman, our Bishop, and all the
It's a Sunday today, and it's the 24th of November. I received an invitation from Metropolitan Theater about 6 days ago. Yes, it's a form saying that there is this Namsha. Or, what is Namsha? It's actually the National Music Competition for Young Artists. There. So today is Christ the King as well. Look at that. It's also Christ the King. And finally, I will be able to join and get inside the Metropolitan Theater. It's so exciting. It's like a gift from Christ the King himself, because it's actually for the first time that I will be able to get inside Metropolitan Theater. Look at that. All right, beautiful. So the event is actually at 4 o'clock. So the competitions are done. This is the concert of all the winners from all over the Philippines. So as I said, Namsha is the National Music Competition for Young Artists. So there are different categories in this particular competition. And so finally, let's try to see if we will be able to enter indeed today. So the event is at 4 o'clock. So sabi dito, Salinlahing Musika 2024 National Music Competitions for Young Artists. It's the finals competition. Finals ba? Akala ko po meron na talagang winners. Pero anyway, November 19 to 24, ayan pala naman. So, ibig sabihin, tapos na. So, because what I heard is, ito po, ang palabas ngayon, mga winners na po. So, let's try to see. That's it. Ayan na. So, 4 o'clock pa naman yun eh. 4 o'clock pa po. 4 o'clock pa naman siya. Ayan po, oh, ayan. So, I arrived at 2:55 and I was told by the guard that they will be letting the visitors in or the guests inside at 3:30. So, we will just wait for this. Namsha was founded by Presidential Proclamation 1123. Isa-isa. Okay, so eto na po. Ayan na. So magpa-register po tayo. Ito yung history of music. Yung sa kabila, yung ritual dance. Ayan po. So, okay, nandito na kami ngayon. So, we are about to confirm our registration. We were able to register online naman. So, ayan na si Adam. Welcoming here at Metropolitan Theater. So, ayan po. Yung sa taas. Ayan ang sa taas. Ayan. Ayan. And then sa kabila, of course, si Eve. Okay. So, very rigid competition which starts at the district and then the provincial level and then the regional level. Ayan po. So, ayan. So, confirmation of registration here at the table. So, nakikita nyo, ang dami talagang nag-antay sa labas. Pero lahat naman po ay naka-online register na. So, if you can see, the walls are actually made of anay finish because that is good daw for the acoustics. Oo, mas maganda ang music kapag ganyan ang walls. Uneven walls. So, eto, ganito pala dito. Finally, we were able to enter. Saan na ba yung sinasabi nilang Gallery of the Stars? Yun ang hinahanap ko. Kasi there's a painting there by national artist for visual arts, si Abdul Marie Imao. Ayan, tingnan nyo yung Metropolitan Theater. Ang dami talaga. So this is finals. Concert of winners. So as you can see, Namsha is a rigid competition. So the competition starts at the district level, then the provincial level, regional level, before it goes to the national. So ito po, those who will be having their concert right now are actually the winners. So of all categories. Kasi there are different categories, like the senior category from 19 years old up to not more than 30 years old. Yung junior level naman po is actually from 13 to 19, not more than 19. And for children's category, not above 13 years old. Tapos meron pa pong open category na above 30. Ayan po, no? So, okay. Pero ang sabi po dito is National Music Competitions for Young Artists. Lahat naman tayo young, you know? Ayan. So, closing ceremonies na po ito. November 24, 2024, 4 p.m. Ang simula. Nakapag pre-register na online. Tapos confirmation na lang pagdating sa baba. And, ayan. Ang magpapalabas po this afternoon are already the winners. That lamp, or the lamps there at the sides, they are actually made of capiz shells. Ayan. But it's not so clear up here. Pero pag doon tayo sa baba, clear na clear siya. Oo, pero maraming performers, kaya sila po yung nasa baba. Okay, dito tayo sa taas. Ayan. Stylized from the Philippine vegetation and wildlife, the motifs of the Met ceiling were executed with the assistance of Juan's elder brother, Arcadio. Vidal Tampinco sculpted the models of the foliage and reproduced it in escayola to ornate across the theater's vast ceiling. The highlight of the main theater is the theater's fruit-festooned ceiling with its Art Deco mangoes, bananas, and tropical leaves, bordered by abaca rope. He also decorated the walls and inside structure of the theater. The stage floor is made of 4 layers of 3/4 thick plywood and 1 layer of 3/4 thick masonite board, black finish. Above the proscenium arc are 8 bas-relief figures by Francesco Ricardo Monte, which symbolizes music, tragedy, poetry, and comedy. Originally intending to reproduce the figures from historical photographs, in 2017, the NCCA were surprised to discover the original Monte figures intact after demolishing anomalous additions from the 1978 restorations. Welcome to the Salinlahing Musika closing ceremonies and concert of winners. So today is Christ the King Sunday, November 24, 2024. So this is the mural of the ritual dance. Ayan, close range, ganyan po. Although this one is actually just made by, parang copy lang siya. It's just a copy of the Amorsolo original. As the original Amorsolo painting, Ritual Dance, was lost during the post-World War II era, the replication painting was done by well-known Filipino painter Roger San Miguel. Ayan, si Eve. Oo, ayan naman si Eve. May mansanas. Yan, in her hand. Ay, ayan. Now I see. Oo, at last, nakita ko rin po, andito yung Sari Manok. One of a series of Sari Manok. So, yun pala, this one is the Gallery of Stars. Ayan, this one is the Gallery of Stars. And this painting of the Sari Manok is one of a series of Sari Manok paintings made by national artists for visual art. So, it's Sari Manok with fish on its beak. Ayan po. We will not be able to take videos inside kasi bawal nga po. So hindi ko na ginawa ng paraan, hindi na ako nagpasimple talaga. I follow the rules. Ayan, ayan. Yung kapis lamps. Ayan po, yung detalye niya. Look at the details. Napakaganda. Dun sa loob lalo. Okay, look at that. So, it's a lamp. Yan, ganda. Ganda, ganda. Alright. So, marami siya. Let's try to check. Ayan. That is Adam. Si Adam po yan. So, welcoming all. Alright, let's take a picture here. Finally able to watch and get inside the Metropolitan Theater. Ayan, Ang ganda talaga dyan sa loob. So, I enjoyed the concert. Yung concert po na yon is actually the winners of the NAMSIA, which is the National Music Competition for Young Artists. Ang dami, bawal lang talaga mag-take ng videos and even pictures of, especially videos of the music. So, ayan, that is going to Quiapo. Yes, I left na. Total anyway, I would not be able to take videos of the presentation, but I really enjoyed the piano. Only the first ones were actually allowed to perform. So the first prize winners were allowed to perform. So that is why we are so happy. One particular thing, si Tiburcio, the junior winner for guitar, and also for the other one, Rondalia. Sino ba yun? Si Calma. I love his performance. So, that's the Metropolitan Theater here in Metro Manila, Philippines. So, I'll have to go home riding that train. There's a special day for this particular experience at yun po ang Christ the King. Thank you, Jesus. Kasi it's your fiesta today. Ayan, ayan. Napakaganda ng fountain here. Only here at Met. Dito lang yan sa Met. Metropolitan Theater, Metro Manila. Near Arroceros. And that is the Met at night. So, para nakuhanan ko. So, sa gabi. At pauwi na po tayo.